Welcome to today's tutorial. We will show you how to install a Lanoptik embedded camera on your Leica DM500. First, we use a 3mm Allen key to remove the eyepiece head of Leica DM500. Next, we will install the camera. The Lanoptik embedded camera is a perfect fit for the dovetail mount of Leica DM500 and can be directly attached to the body. Ensure that the camera is facing forward and securely fixed. Again, we use the 3mm Allen key to attach the eyepiece head of DM500. The camera is powered by a USB cable, which can be plugged directly into the DM500's power output. Connect the microscope's power cable and ensure that the HDMI cable and monitor are properly connected. Now we have got the camera installed on the Leica DM500 microscope. Just turn on the camera and explore the microscopic world. By the way, we have 3 types of embedded cameras, but the mounting is the same. Please refer to this video for mounting. Let's review all the steps. By following these instructions, we can ensure that you obtain live images from the microscope camera within 5 minutes. Thank you for your attention.